Okay, so I wanted to make a quick video and just show what happens whenever the idle air control sensor goes out. This actually just happened to me a little while ago. I replaced the IAC. I think the year before last, I got one of the cheap knockoff versions instead of the OEM model, so that's probably why it's going out already. But anyway, so I just went to the store. I was pulling out of the parking lot, and I let off the gas, and you can see the RPM is already bouncing around here. I had noticed that, but as soon as I let off the gas, everything drops, right? And then pow. So that's pretty much what happens. Anytime I've had an issue with an IAC, I have had idle issues due to things like the ignition coils or spark plugs before, but I don't think I've ever had the car cut off at a stop the way that it does with an IAC. So if that ever happens to you, if you're wondering why your car is cutting off whenever you're at a stoplight or stop sign, and the idle is bouncing around and then it just drops whenever you let off the gas, then that's probably what it is. So anyway, hope that helps somebody. I guess that'll do it.